English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling, vowels, a and ah. Now, this is the step 2 video, and in this video, I'm going to give the answers to the practice exercise that you can find in the step 1 video. So make sure you watch that video first. And you can also watch my overview video in which I talk about the pronunciation and spelling of all the vowels and all the spellings of the vowels in English. So now let's look at the answers and think about the spellings. Now number 1 is am, am. Number 2, at. Number 3, camera, camera. Number 4, pack, pack. Number 5, shack, shack. Number 6, arm, arm. Number 7, art, art. Number 8, calmer, calmer. Number 9, park, park. Number 10, shark, shark. You can see now that we have some more minimal pairs to look at. For example, am, arm, am, arm, at, art, at, art. And here are two words which have similar pronunciation, but of course, two different phonemes. Camera, calmer. Camera, calmer. Now, I should say that many people in England and in Scotland and in other areas of Great Britain pronounce this word as the same as the first one. They say calmer, camera, calmer, camera, calmer. So you can hear there are two different ways to pronounce this word. Calmer or calmer. Ah, ah. In most dictionaries, you will find the received pronunciation, which is the same as arm, art. So it is calmer. Next one, park. Next one, shark. So we have pack, park, shack, shark. So now let's look at the sentences. Sentence 11. The basketball match happened in March. The basketball match happened in March. Now, I should also point out that some people say basketball, ba. Now, many people say ba as in match, so you have a choice, basketball or basketball. In most dictionaries, you'll find the received pronunciation is ah, basketball. The basketball match happened in March. Sentence number 12. She parked the car and began to relax. She parked the car and began to relax. 13. He lit the candle with a match and felt calm. He lit the candle with a match and felt calm. Now again, you have a choice. You can say calm or calm. Number 14. Her grandfather had a heart attack. Her grandfather had a heart attack. 15. It was an old family mansion with a hearth. It was an old family mansion with a hearth. Now, hearth has a pronunciation similar to heart. A hearth is an old word for a fireplace in an old house where they used coal or wood for heating and cooking. So a hearth is like the center of a living room or sometimes a kitchen. So there you have the pronunciation of these individual words and sentences. So that brings us to the end of this step 2 video on the pronunciation and the spelling of a and ah. Now, this is one of a series of videos, so watch the other ones, and you can also watch the overview video in which I talk about the sounds and the spellings of all the vowels in English. If you like the content of this video and would like to see more, please click like and subscribe. And you can request a lesson in the comments below.